Hello everyone, this is applicable text skills actually. In this episode, which is episode 9, the finale of this season 1, it's based on menus. We're talking about menus. Let me just confirm. You can see menus. We've seen the usage a bit. We've seen the usage a bit here. Start. So welcome back again. This is applicable text skills. We are in the finale of the season 1. The episode 9. The title is menus. So we must have been seeing the menu already. That's because this that's because of the way the theme is. There are some things that you won't even see the menu at all. You understand that? So this is what is called a menu. Of course, when you go to a restaurant and you you want to order for food, you'll be like, okay, what do you guys have? So they will now start listing the food they have to you. Of course, I'm talking about our local canteen here. You know, when you go to a standard restaurant, you understand, they would have to give you a kind of a kind of a list. I don't want to use the word cardboard or paper or something like that, where you can now say, okay, I want this, I want that. So this is something like that also. So if you now want to go to new page, you can click on going to new page. If you want to go to sample page, you can click on sample page. You understand what I'm trying to say now? So that's just the way that is. But how do we come about this menu now? Or how can we edit it, or how can we do something to it? So we go to our dashboard, we saw something they call appearance. Just underneath widget, you click on menu. It's as simple as that. So you can see right now we don't have any menu. So it's automatically doing what it feels like doing by itself. So we are going to create one menu now. We're going to say main menu so that it will replace this one that we have here. So we're going to say create menu. So after it has been created, you're going to see where you need to add content to it. So I think we have our home, we have this, we have that. So just add that to the menu so that we can have this. So looking at this now, you can still change this to, you can change this to anything you want to change it to. I'm just trying to change it to anything so that we can see it. And this sample page should just be old page. You understand? Old. But that does not change the URL. The URL will still maintain sample page. Look at what I'm talking about on the left. On the left. Okay, look at it here. The URL will still maintain that, but the menu will be old page, something like that. So you can automatically say, okay, add to the next top level, add automatically add new top level menu pages to menu. You understand? So then you can just add it to that. Bam. Then I think the location is here. We cannot always do this because what if you want to create a page and you don't want it to be displayed on the menu, and you want it to be a drop down, and you want it to be a you want it to be there but be linked to from another menu. You understand? So as just let's just see what this will give us at first, then we'll know what next to do. So now you can see it says it has saved, updated, and now you can now see our new page now. So you can have the home page, you can have the end page, you can have the old page. Can you see that? So that's our menu now. So there's one thing I'm going to show us right now. I'm going to show us something that, okay, I'm going to create a new menu. But in this case now, the menu will be named custom link, and I'm going to put hash. The hash means that it won't go to any location. So I have pages here. I have that. I'm going to move that up. You can see you can drag it. You can do anything you want to do with it. I have this here like that. So I'm trying to create a drop down. So let's see what that will give us. We're just going to save. So I'm reloading this page now. So you can see that now we now have a drop down of both pages. So each you can see now. So each what is it called now? Everything you use have something like that also. You understand? So you can add more pages. You can add posts. So you can also add posts, like I was saying the other time. You can add posts. Um, you know, you can say, okay, I want to have applicable skills there also, but I want it under pages. You can leave it like that, or you put it under pages. So just click on save. Um, Reload that. Then you have your applicable pages here. Can you see that? Applicable text skills. So it's it's that simple. It's that simple. You can add categories also. You can add your fashion category. So in paraventure you are trying to use WordPress to create a blog. So assuming you are trying to use WordPress to create a blog, so all these categories would have to be together. So you'll have to all these categories will have to be your menu. You understand? They'll have to be your menu. So like that now we have save menu. So then you have that. So when you click on fashion, it's now list page not found. Sorry, you're supposed to list posts pages for us. You understand? So in the next I think that's all for menu. Yes, that's just the major things about menu. All you have to do is just drag and drop. Yeah, one thing I didn't talk about menu is this screen option. Well, you're only needing it for now. As time goes on, we are going to be needing them. But you can see that you can add, you can remove what you would like to see here from there. So you can see I just removed posts. If you notice, I can put it back there. I'm just checking that. Can you see that now? So I can remove this page also. It has been removed. So like that. So I think that's that for now. So thank you very much for seeing through this season one. Um, Hopefully with growing interest, we are going to be making the season two. It's actually in progress, but you know, we need encouragement from you. We need more likes. We need more followers. We need more subscribers. So kindly please do that for us, and we are going to be giving out. We promise to always dish out quality content as this. And if you have any question pertaining to what we've done previously, um, don't hesitate to ask questions. Please do not hesitate to ask questions. And please limit your questions to what we have done already. What we've not yet done, please don't ask the question, because except maybe you want a kind of a one-on-one tutoring, then that might cost you some amount of token, you understand? So let's just keep that. So like I've said, kindly subscribe to our channel. See you in the next season. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.